It is the third time these guys have howled. And today's a biblical holy day. And what's he doing up there? Leo's on the counter. It's a biblical holy day, and so we have the day off. And so we are a little late, but that's okay. Jerry. Hi, everybody. What's up, guys? 3 times. 3 times, guys. 4 now. The heck? It's Jerry. Jerry's the one. Jerry's the one. Oh my goodness. Oh, hi, guys. Hi, Toby. Hi, Toby. Yeah, maybe Jerry just needs to go outside or something. Got handy wiggles. She's down there. Hi, Yiggy. Hi, baby. Hi, Biggie. Oh, Biggie. Oh, what's up, Mama? What's up, baby? Joshua, how you doing? Josh. Yeah, of course. Nori. Nori. She's always so happy. She gives kisses. Lots of kisses. What was Leo up there for?
I don't know. I just found a little tiny piece of land just sitting on top of the golf.
I see. Okay, well, I don't know where the kids are. Kids all ran away. They're all outside. Joshua, you having issues? You need to spray your tail. You got some fleas? Something messing with you? We'll get you dealt with here. All right. Well, good morning. Weird morning. Missed everybody. Good morning. Have a great day. Monkey. Have a good day. How are you? How are you, baby? All right. Goodbye.